Hey guys, let's make some money now, okay? As you can see, this is my Binance balance of 11,940 USDT. Do you know guys how I made this money? I made this money trading crypto arbitrage, buying low on another exchange and selling high on another exchange. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can also do this and benefit. Remember guys, this video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage anything that might make you lose your funds, but I assure you in this method that I'm doing here will make you the best amount, and if you follow it step by step. Guys, remember on my TikTok there's a link to join my Telegram channel, and also there's a number for my WhatsApp. You can contact me and I'll help you if you are stuck. Remember guys, remember to watch this video step by step guys. So let me refresh my account. You see, okay, when I refresh here, you see it's 11,940 USDT. How much is that in normal currency? Let's say USD to case. Okay guys, so let's say 11,900 in Kenyan shillings. It's 1,538,075 in Uganda UGX. Okay guys, in UGX 11,900, that is it's a lot of money guys. 42,789,486. You see, it's live in Cameroon francs, USD to franc. Let's see how much is it guys. 11,900, that is Swiss francs. We get 9,005. No, that's not Cameroon. Okay, I don't know. Yes, let me try this. So 1 USD is 564. So that's 564 times, okay, times the number of the money we have. So let's say 564 times 11,900. That's 6,711,600 in Cameroon money. Let's say in Nigerian money, 11,900, that is 18,452,378 naira. Guys, I'm just saying this because some of you don't understand the power of dollar, the power of USDT. So in your currency, if you had $100 and then you come and do the trade I'm going to show you today, you'll make maybe $30 extra. And if you convert to your currency, it will be much a lot of money in your country that you can use for your daily endeavors. So without wasting time, let's start. So guys, today we are going to use an exchange called Binance, which I've showed you the balance I have inside. And also we are going to use an exchange called Binance.app. Okay, Binance.net and Binance.app are the same guys. Okay, you see, when I click Binance.net, it directs me to Binance.app. So they are the same guys. So we are going to use Binance.app. All right, let me write it well. Binance.app, like that. Okay guys, then it loads. So you see, make sure you go to the correct website. Binance.app or Binance.net is the same thing. The app.app is the web app and the .net is the website. So after you go there, now you need to create an account. You click on sign up. All right, you put all your first name, email address, password, you confirm everything. Okay, right? So let's say, for example, let's do an example here. Or let's say first name Mike, last name John, email address, let's say, okay, then password, you put your password and so on. So you create the account, and make sure, guys, when you create the account, under the username, use only, when you go from this step, they'll ask you to set up your username. Please put username as only small letters and no special characters. Okay, so after you've signed up, now you'll come to login. All right, and then you go here and put your details. So for me, I've already created the account, and then I will log in. Okay, remember to follow me step by step, guys, so that you don't get lost. And trust me, if you do what I'm doing, you will succeed. So guys, these are all my trades, you can see, and everything. So once you are in your account now, you've logged in. Now we need to find, you need to find vendors. Okay, guys, you need to find vendors. How do you find vendors? You go to Binance.app. First, we need to find how we'll make the money. Okay, Binance.app, like that. And then you click these three dots on your right, and then you click on trade and go to P2P. Okay, so here, guys, we come to see if we buy USDT on Binance and then we come and sell here, how much will we get? So I'll click on sell button. Okay, and you see there is also buy, but there is buy. I have made a video on my TikTok. There's a buy video that I've created. It's there, first pinned video. So but for now, I will click on sell. Today we are selling. So you can see these are vendors. We have David Thomas. He has a limit from 49 USDT to 1000. We have Devin Thomas also, 200 to 10,000. We have 56 from Eddie. We have 50 to 750 from Minka. We have David Catch 71. So you see, those are the offers, guys. So these are the offers available. So for you to, let's say you have 1000 USDT. Okay, let's say you have 1000. Today we are using 1000. All right, so and you want to know how much you can make with 1000. So the first thing, you will come and click sell here. First we test how much we receive, and you put amount 1000. You see, if I put 1000, I will receive 690. So there's no profit here. So the next step, I will go to another trader. Okay, I will go to another trader. Devin Thomas is no, so I'll go to Devin. Oh no, this was Devin. Okay, let me also click the next offer that he has. If I put 1000, I get 550. So there's no profit. I will still continue looking for another one. So if I go to someone called like let me use the one that I have used before. It's called Jane. This one, click sell, put amount 1000. You see, if I put 1000, I'll get 1290, guys, right? So that is a 290 profit. You see, this one I'm making the profit. If I go to another one like let's say Eugene, okay, and I put 1000, I'll get 1120. You see the different, every vendor has different pricing. Okay, every vendor has their own prices. So because the Jane Huffman has the best price, I will go direct and trade with her. Okay, so if we go to sell, Jane Huffman that we just tried here has the best offer so far. So I will put 1000. See, I get at 1200. Oh, this is a different offer, guys. Yeah, it's a different offer. Jane Huffman. Here's two of us. This one for 70 to 1500. So I put 1,000. Yes, I get 1,290. So guys, after you have identified that Jane can make you 290, the next step that you need to do is go and deposit to your account. As you can see on my account, my available balance is 0.997. Is 0 point. I don't have any amount inside. So the next thing I'll have to do is I'll go and deposit amount from my Binance to this account, okay, and then trade with Jane. So I'll click on the three dots on my right, click on dashboard, right, and then on my dashboard I'll click the left three buttons, and then I'll click on manage wallet. Guys, follow me step by step, and then I'll click on funding. Remember guys, to deposit USDT on funding always, because trading on P2P happens only on funding. People are texting me, oh, you know, I deposited on spot, I don't know what to do. And you know, I'm not the support team on this exchange, so it's very hard for me to help. So once you click on funding, you click on Tether USDT, this one, the first one, this one, Tether USDT. Here now you're going to, because we are trading with the USDT, so I'll click on view and then scroll down here, guys, and then you'll find this button named deposit. Click on it, and then amount is 1,000, as we said, 1,000. Gateway is Tether USDT TRC20, the one that we are going to deposit from Binance, and then click submit. Right, guys? And now, once you are here now, you've given the address to deposit to. So there's a copy button. You need to click copy like that. Once the address is copied, you need to go now back to your Binance account here. Okay, guys, this is your Binance. And if you are using Binance Pro, you click on send. Click on assets first. This is home, market, trade, futures, assets. So click on assets, click send, and make sure guys to use on-chain withdraw. Some of you are using off-chain. This on-chain withdraw only, guys. Don't send to Binance users or what. Use the second option named on-chain withdraw. Nice. And then click on USDT, and then long press the address here and paste, and make sure to go back to your exchange, the address that you copied, and you see whether it is the same, guys, because you might copy a different address and the money will get lost. So after confirming all the letters are matching like that, network now you choose as written Tron TRC20, amount is 1,000. All right, guys. So you can see after putting 1,000, the receiving amount is 999. So make sure you put 1,001 so the exchange Binance can receive 1,000. So guys, after that, now you click withdraw. Right? So now the next step is click confirm. Okay, guys, as easy as this. And then now you need to verify your passkeys or your verification code. So this one is personal. I will have to hide it, because don't you ever show people your personal verification code or your email to your Binance. You might get hacked. Remember guys, this for educational purpose only, and they do exactly what I'm doing. So I will hide that. Let me put it and get back. So guys, after putting my verification code, now the withdrawal is processing. All right, so now the next step, you click go back here, and then you click the USDT, the assets. Now go to assets and then withdraw. You see it's here processing. Okay, so now guys, here now you need to take a screenshot of this one. So we take a screenshot like this, like that. So the screenshot is taken, and then you go to your Binance and you click, there's a place called upload deposit screenshot, proof of deposit, upload proof of deposit. So I'll click on choose file, and choose the screenshot here, and then now click on pay now. All right, it's very easy, guys. All right, and then click pay now, and then we wait for it to load a few seconds. It's very easy, guys. So after loading, guys, you see the deposit is now pending, 1000 USDT pending here. All right, so now it usually takes about 10 minutes for the exchange to approve the deposit. Usually, guys, it's a few minutes. All right, it's now on the blockchain for it to be approved. So let's get back here when it's approved, and then we proceed. So guys, after waiting for a few minutes, now I'll have to refresh and see whether it's approved. Nice, guys, you see the deposit was approved 9 minutes ago. So now we have deposited the money in our account, right? The next step now, guys, follow me carefully. You need to set up your payment method on your P2P, okay? How you will receive the money that will be paid, okay? So if you trade and get 1290, it will be paid to your address that you will provide, because you are selling. If you are buying, it could be deposited in your Binance account, but since you are selling, it will be deposited in your address. So how do you set that? First, click on the three dots here, and then click on P2P center. All right, guys, and then on P2P center, click on the three dots on your right, and then click on manage payment method. Okay, you see my USDT address is here. So if you want to add yours, you click on edit here, and then you go to your Binance. Okay, all right, like this, and then you go back here. You go to add funds. Now you click on add funds, on chain deposit, USDT, Tron, and then you copy this address. You go back here, you are on your Binance, and then you select that and paste. Okay, so now you click on submit. So now your address that you receive amount with has been set. So once you sell now, the amount will be sent to this address that you just put here. All right, guys, so the money we deposited, let's check whether it's there. So we'll click on the three dots, and then manage wallet, and then funding wallet, and then USDT. You can see I have a total balance of 1000.9787. All right, so now because I have already 1000, now we need to trade. All right, don't click on this trade here, guys. Okay, don't click on this trade over. Okay, so always go to Binance.app home. You can go to Binance.net.app, it's okay, but I'm using .app. Okay, like that, and then click on the three dots, click on trade P2P. You go just like the way we did it last time, and then we click on sell. Because we already identified that Jane Huffman has the best offer, we'll click go down, go down, go down, and then Jane Huffman is here. This is the offer that we had selected, and then click on sell. All right, and amount now put 1000. You see now I have 1000 because before I didn't have. I deposited, and now it has reflected here. If it doesn't reflect here, guys, just know your amount is in your spot wallet. All right, so now 1000, and receiving method is Tether USDT, the payment method that we had set, and then click sell. Very easy, guys. You see, once you get the error seller doesn't have insufficient balance, that means you are putting the whole amount, because there's a P2P fee of like $5. So let's put 995. Okay, let's say 997. Okay, and then click sell. Same error, 95. Same error, 94. Okay, 994. So the P2P fee was $6. Still okay. So now you see I'm going to receive 1,282, right? Because of the two P2P, you know, the buyer and the seller pays the fees, all right? So I'm selling 994 and I'm getting 282. It's just $6, and see, we are all both earning, okay? So now you see this is the address that I had set before. So I'm waiting for the vendor to pay. So now I'll click on text the vendor here. Hi, please pay the amount. Thank you. Okay. If you click on send and see the error here, don't worry. The message has been sent. What you do, just refresh, and you see the message has been sent. So guys, let's wait for a few minutes for the vendor to pay us the amount in our Binance account. I will get back to you guys in you see there's a countdown of minutes here, so I'll get back to you in between these minutes before they end. So once you place the order, be patient. There's a countdown here, always be patient. So guys, it has been like 3 minutes, 2 minutes since I placed this trade. So now I'll come and refresh on this page here. Right, you see there is now a button to release or dispute. Once you see this, that's just know the vendor has paid you. So guys, you need to scroll down here and confirm. See, the vendor said, hi dear, I paid to your address provided, check TXID. See this TXID, if you copy it like this and then you go to Tron scan, you can check whether the amount has arrived or not. You can also check on your Binance, of course, but this is just another way. You see, 1,282 was sent to this address. Okay, so let me get back here. If I go to my Binance, and refresh, you see now I have 12,221 guys. All right, you see 1,282 confirmed. So now the next step, guys, after you've confirmed you have received the money, release. And if you have not received the money, always dispute. There's a dispute button here. You always click and dispute it, and then the case will be raised, or you can also always contact customer support. So guys, now because I received, I'll click on release and the money will be sent to the vendor like that. So after releasing now, you need to come here and leave a positive comment. Thanks so much, you are the best. Okay, click submit. Okay guys, it's as easy as that. Now the trade is complete. So if maybe your trade was not paid, guys, always go to your manage. How do you contact support? Click on manage wallet dashboard. Okay, and click on these three dots and then click on scroll down and click get support. Here, this is where now you click on new ticket and you put all your the information here, guys. You put all your info. Okay, so that's when your trade was not paid. You can contact support and send them the trade ID. Also guys, if you have any other query or you want me to teach you how to do this for free, come to my TikTok. In my TikTok, guys, this is my TikTok account. I always upload these videos here. You can see I have 2 million over video views. I have, so guys, there's a number here. This is my WhatsApp number, this one. You always come and copy it and WhatsApp me. Also, it's very important, join my Telegram. Come and click on this link and then open, right? And then join, click on join here, open again. You see, once you open like this, it will take you direct to my Telegram channel. Okay, see, this is my Telegram channel, guys. It has over 20, now right now I have 19,960 followers. This is where I post all signals and everything, guys. So when you come to my TikTok and do that, you'll join my Telegram, or you'll click the number and you'll contact me on WhatsApp. And you can also come here and watch all my videos I've done for the last 2 years, and I'm helping people earn a living here. And also remember, guys, these videos are for educational purpose only, and I do not encourage this as a financial advice, but if you do what I have done, you will make money. Thank you so much, guys. Now I have made my 290 USDT. I'll have to go and trade like 10 more trades today. Remember, guys, it's 15 trades per day, so don't exceed 15 trades. So I will not do all those 15 trades here. You see, we are already at 25 minutes recording this video. It will take time, so let me go and do my other trades. See you again, and thank you so much, guys. God bless you all.